Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix iPhone lagging on uh, iOS 17 after update. So how can fix this issue? I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So how to fix this issue? So let's get the start the video. First of all, you have restart your device. So how to fix restart the device? Volume up button and then volume down button, and press the power button when you see appears Apple logo on your screen. Then wait 5 to 10 seconds, and then mobile your restart iPhone. And then second solution, you have manage iPhone storage. So how can fix manage iPhone storage? So open the setting and then you have click on general and then click on iPhone storage, and then you have not fully iPhone storage, then you have not use app or not working your photos or videos. So you should be have delete your iPhone. And then other solution, you have disable the background refresh. So again open the setting and then you have click on general and then you have click on background app refresh, and then you have disable off, and then your problem will be fixed. If there are third solution is not working, there your for solution, you have factory reset. So how can fix this issue? You have open the setting again and then you have click on general and then you have scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset, then you have click on erase or content, and then you have continue, and then your mobile data is losing no anyone photos or app, only all to all delete, and then your problem will be fixed. Then last solution, you have again open the setting and then you have scroll up, then you have click on battery and then you have disable low power mode, and then your problem will be fixed and 100% working. Hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel.